Oh, I've been dreaming about peterobi's arrest. That has been my foremost dreams, and likewise other obedience. Could be that he demanded for Obi's arrest last year. I think we would have gotten out of this mess.
Other, celebrities come out and talk about this protest. So why they now forcefully, is it that they want to just set up peterobi? Why they now coming out to blame the Obidient for the one instigating protests in Nigeria? Do you think?
God, listen and listen good. If Obidient is behind the threats, the protest, what concerns Peter Greg Obi? Was Obi not supposed to start it in the first place, February last year when he won election? Oga APC is coming up with threats to intimidate protesters, to intimidate Peter Greg Obi. Their threat has come too late. Protests must be what?
Civil rights.
Thank you. Protests must go on. Protests must be respected. Must be expected by the public office disgruntled holders. All these disgruntled public office holders, protest is coming. You cannot intimidate us out not to hold this protest. The threat you are coming up with now is that you are pointing accusing finger at the Obedience so that Obi will run away. Abi, it is come late. The protest is ongoing. Obi has endured enough. Nigerians have endured enough. The Obedience have endured enough. The widows, the child, the less privileged, they have endured enough. Protest is coming. No amount of threat from APC juggernauts, from Tinubu's government will stop this protest. See, let me tell you, it is coming. 29 July, it is coming. See it coming 1st August. See it coming mid-August. You see United Nations coming to take over the government of Mohammed Tinubu. Is an illegitimate government, a government that does not care about the poor masses, a government that is selfish, individualistic, mentality stricken, based. They are there for their pocket, and Nigerians are suffering. Say, let me tell you, we are coming. The protest is coming. Every Nikanali, every Yoruba man, they are protesting here. Every Igbo man, they are protesting in the southeast to tell their erring governors that are utilizing public fund allocation that comes to Anambra State, Imo State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State. That enough is enough. We are going to protest. The only state that is going to be free in the southeast is Labour-controlled state of Abia. Lesotho is doing what we like.
It's working.
Yes. Tinubu can never intimidate Simon Ekpa, nor intimidate Nnamdi Kanu. Tinubu can never intimidate Igbo man. Tinubu should do the needful. Allow Nnamdi Kanu to go. The protest is coming, and it has come. See, it is a rage. They call it protest. I say is a rage. R-A-G-E. Rage. But it rages more than wildfire. It rages more than inferno that can consume any administration of this country. What you called NSAS is a baby comparing to what is coming. August.
But do you not think Tinubu can, or the government can order for peterobi arrest if order for his arrest?
I've been dreaming about peterobi's arrest. That has been my foremost dreams, and likewise other obedience. Could be that he demanded for Obi's arrest last year. I think we would have gotten out of this mess because immediately they arrested Obi, the fire, the rage is here. And if it happens, that is when Nigerians will get their own freedom. Tinubu work on that modalities to arrest Greg Obi. Oh my God, arrest him. Hold him as you hold his brother, Nnamdi Kanu. That is the utmost victory that Nigerians are agitating for. Arrest of Peter Greg Obi, the rightful winner of last year, 2023, February election. Arrest Obi. That is where it's going to lead to. If federal government of Nigeria accuses the obedience of this protest, welcome. We accept it. Yes, arrest Obi. Arrest everybody. That is where we are going. So that we know where the current government of the day will fight themselves.
There will be a problem if they do the arrest.
No. Now APC get soldier, get police now. Which problem? We will all rub pancakes and all manners of powder. We turn ourselves to what? Obedient people. We are very obedient. No, we don't want problem. Let Tinubu arrest Obi now. We are so obedient and innocent. We know the hot fly.
Hmm.
They should arrest Obi now. When they arrested his brother too, they should go ahead and arrest Peter Greg Obi. That's where it's leading to.
Because
now
for them
we
to
are
start
villains
accusing
because
him,
yes, we are very innocent. Oh, APC is a very strong party. Oh, they are very strong party. Nobody should talk about APC so that they will not be arrested. They shouldn't arrest Obi. Oh, if they arrest Obi, we will all carry our phone and mattress. They sleep. They wait for them until they release Nand and Obi. Yes, they should go on and do that. That's it.
Okay.
What Kenya is doing will be very, very accepted or not accepted because obedience are very innocent. Obedience are children with pampers. Thank you. Arrest Obi now.
We've seen politicians even beg that we should not, the protest should not go as far as
No, they shouldn't beg because APC is a party that is feeding Nigerians with sand and concrete, pebbles and stones. APC is strong now. Najagaban. He's not going to be banned because he's a Jagaban. He should go on and arrest Obi. When he arrests Obi, every Igbo man will turn to what? Over pampered child. Every Igbo man will be sleeping on his mattress. Oh, Tinubu has arrested Obi. The obedience in the axis of Bini, all of them will be sleeping on the express with their mattress saying, APC government, you did well. Oh, Adam Ochomole, you did well. Oh, arrest Obi the more. If you know another person that is ahead, will be arrest him. We will pamper you with pampers. Arrest Obi now. You have turned Nigerians to slave. Nobody go talk.
Okay.
When this begin, accuse Obidient and arrest Obi. APC with the fear on now.
But why is APC against Nigerians speaking the truth? Coming out, see Ndume. Recently, you know, it was
Ndume is now suffering from what his conscience has led him into. He has been, nursing that in him, and conscience is an open wound. That wound has been at least paining him. Do you understand? And he has now come out for the healing of that wound. He spoke out, and today they sack him because he's a truthful man. As they sack Ndume, they should turn it the other way around. Arrest the whole protesters, arrest Peter Greg Obi, so that the whole world will be looking and watching Tinubu regime. Tinubu regime and the APC political party will buy pampers and give all of us. We will be wearing pampers. We are innocent Ajibos. We know they find trouble. APC don't arrest Obi. We will return to what? Mama's boy, Papa's boy, of our pampered children of the obedience. So they should go ahead and arrest him.
Okay.
The cause of Nnamdi, the cause that Nnamdi is fighting for, is very clear to them. And you and I, very clear. And you put him over back. Nigeria believe that they are God, that they are not God. Nigeria government, the federal government of Nigeria believe that they are God. That they know it all. That they don't know anything. Yes, the struggle. The struggle, the agitation of Nnamdi Kanu, you understand? The struggle does not make, it's not, Nnamdi Kanu is not fighting for his, his own selfish interest. No. You and I know the men Biafra. No, the right thing, the cause that Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. You cannot tell me that this is black. What I know that this is white. No. You cannot tell me. What Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for is the right of the Easterners. Not to the other Igbo speaking. All over the Easterners. That's what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. Now you detain him. And you come to this way. The sickness has come. No. The sickness has come now. He refused to, grant him bail to see his daughter. This is what is the normal, the reasonable country, the normal country. We look into, then we look into the issue. I don't know how I have told them that this country is very wicked. I have told Nigerians that Nigeria government are very wicked. Come to the eastern part of the country. Go to the eastern part of the country. I mean, they don't want the people of the easterners, to know what is going on. That is why they don't want you to close to them. They can only use you and get what they want. The cost of Nnamdi, the cost that Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for, is very clear to them. And you and I, very clear. And you put him over bar. Because he tell you people that what you are doing is not good. What you are doing is not right. That's not right. It's not, the right way to follow, the right way to go. They move our country forward. How can you pack me one side? Pressing my head day by day, teaching me day by day. You ask me not to talk. You ask me not to vomit out. You ask me not to shout out, raise alarm, so that people will hear will have my cry. You ask me not to cry. It's like you beat me. Ask me not to cry, like you beat your child. Not ask your cry. I mean, the child not to cry. I mean, it's very painful. The cost that Nnamdi Kanu is starting for, I mean, it's very clear. For those who understand, not those that are beating around the bush, who don't know, who don't believe in truth. That's why Nigeria is like this. That's why you and I are suffering like this. That's why you come to this country, and a graduate, you have a different degree, all manner of degree. End of the day, you end up on Okada rider. You end up on a keke rider. You end up on a wheelbarrow pusher. That's Nigeria for you. Nigeria does not, they don't want to hear the truth. They don't want to follow the truth. That's why Nigeria is like this. Yes, you and I know. You know what I'm saying. You know. Yes, they don't want to the truth. So let me tell you, if they don't give him Nnamdi Kanu, the freedom to see his daughter. If anything comes to happen, I mean, they have been romancing the lion tail. They have been romancing the lion. It's like they are trying to, tap the lion tail. They have been romancing the lion. I always telling them, they have to give them, freedom. They have to give them the chance to see his daughter. He's a human being. They have released others.
Well, do you think that they believe that Nnamdi Kanu is pretending, or just giving fake reports, something like that?
That's nothing like pretending. Nothing like pretending. Nothing like pretending, my brother. Let me tell you. Nigeria government as a federal, you understand me? Nigeria government are so, they know how to, manipulate. They know how to manipulate. They know that this guy is sick. They know it. It cannot happen in any other country.
So I'm saying they've given him like slow poison that he has been poisoned.
Capable. They are very smart on that level, on that way. They are very smart because they are not happy. You know what they are benefiting? You know what they are benefiting in that south, in that eastern region. You know what they are benefiting? Their annoyance is why now they can't come out to raise alarm. Why is he crying? Why is he vomiting out? Why is he raising alarm? That's the annoyance. And they don't want to hear anything concerning issue of Biafra. Okay, when you are pushing me, eating me, pressing me, suppressing, you're suppressing my I and my brothers. You ask me, let us not to raise alarm. You are taking what belongs to each one of us. I won't belong to you in your own region. You package that one. What belong to me? You come my house, to occupy my land. Occupy what belong to me. occupy one belong to me. You know, suppressing my people. You ask us not to cry out. Do you think that this country will have peace? They will never have peace. The country can never have peace. They have to give them Nnamdi Kanu the road. They have to open door for them. Open door for Nnamdi Kanu to see his daughter. To know what is going on. To know what is going on in his health. Let the doctor see him and let the doctor treat him. He cannot just say put over bar without nothing. Without case. The doctor have told you, release this man. Leave this man. You have no case to answer. The man is a free man. You refuse. The Northern refuse. The Northerners. The Fulanis. The Manami and Co. Binta Nyanku. They refuse to release my brother. And then you come to their own side. Take an example. What Boko Haram are doing in the north. Northern part of the country. The bandits. End of the day, they will call them. They will say their arrest. They are repented. What rubbish? They are repented Boko Haram. You will join the military. You give them gun, give them uniform. Is that the country? How can we run this country like this? At the end of the day, they will come after them. They will still go back where they belong. And you say it's a country. A terrorist that destroying the innocent, destroy the villagers, killing the innocent soul. Killing the destroy the villagers, the farmland, the scatter. You cannot be able to walk in your forest. You cannot be able to walk anyhow in your forest. How you mean in your farmland? The Fulani herdsmen. They do not say a word. Nothing happened. Nothing. End of the day, you papa them. No, this one is like what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. He said, no, all those things you cannot collect. How can you be killing me day by day? How can you kill my brothers and sisters? And you look at it as a threat to you. You know, arrest him and put him inside bar. Over bar. You don't want anything to, you don't want the truth to come out. When you say the truth, we had it. You close the chapter, you close the truth of the truth. The package one side. When you come to your people, you pamper them. The matter will close. The matter will close. They come to the Easterners, the Igbos. They are the problem. Why? Why is it like this? They should give it chance to change, doctor. I will tell that, my brother, if anything happen to Nnamdi Kanu, it's not just like, it's not just, how can you put somebody inside bar? Over bar? For years. At the end of the day, we say he's pretending. Pretending herself. Over bar. For years, without seeing son, without son, without movement. Because of the fighting for injustice. What is he fighting for? Injustice. Not justice. Injustice. That's what he's fighting for. Now he refused to give him grantor. He refused to grant him bail to see his daughter. Just to see his daughter. To have the medical, attention. He refused. Something is fishing. These people does not want, the good thing to, they don't want good thing in this country. They don't want good thing in this country because they know that this man is fighting for the right side. That's why they refuse. About the president, let them give him chance to see his daughter. Let them give him Nnamdi Kanu to see his daughter. Because if anything happen, my brother, if anything happen, Nigeria will see on the other side. I have told them it's not Biafra on 1967. The Biafra we are talking about today is another Biafra. It's another Biafra. So let the advice I will just give them. Let you leave this man. Let's allow him to see his daughter. If they don't want to release him yet, okay. Let him see his daughter. So the daughter will see what is happening, what is wrong. So far ABC, there's nothing wrong there. He's still holding detention. Allow him to see his daughter. Simple. Allow him Nnamdi Kanu to see his daughter. What type of wickedness is this? And if you come to the other side, they will proper justice. They will proper justice.